I really value the relationships I've developed with attorneys from across the country. They're an incredible resource when I have questions about cases that are coming up or legislation that is being considered in other states.
COSA has helped me most by having a dialogue with my colleagues on a daily basis.
Every school board attorney in the country should be a member of NSBA's Council of School Attorneys.
We have such a specialized area of law, doing education law, and so to have an organization where you can take one look at a website and have the amount of resources that they have available, it's tremendous.
It makes me enjoy the practice of school law when I'm around people that enjoy the practice of school law.
I know that I'm going to go to a place that has accurate information, well-written briefs that are prepared by some of the lawyers who have litigated these issues nationwide.
Some of the issues you will not find in a Westlaw or in some of the other publications.
COSA offers at least 12 webinars every year focusing on hot legal issues and delivered by experts from around the country.
My favorite thing about COSA are the 2 annual seminars that we have each year at the national levels.
The topics are timely. You walk out of the conferences with useful information right at your hand that you can use in your practice tomorrow.
I love hearing from the people who have tried the cases, have argued the Supreme Court case.
I hear about what's going on in other states, and surprisingly things aren't that different, back at home.
When you're a member of a national organization, it adds a lot of credibility to your position.
When I write to new clients, one of the first things that I do is talk about my involvement with COSA and NSBA, because I think it shows that my firm and I are committed to public education as a value and not just as a job.
If you haven't joined, you should. If you have just belonged but haven't really participated, I would encourage you to participate. When you're a member of COSA, you're like a member of a firm of 3,000 plus lawyers who have your back.
Knowing that I can call on them for help, knowing they can call on me for help, I just feel networked.
Interconnectedness with other lawyers is one of my favorite parts.
I don't know how I would survive without a COSA membership.
I just think it's the smart way to practice if you're going to be in this area.